Alright guys, we saw a basic intro video about Python. This is the next one in the series. So we're going to talk about variables, expressions, and statements here. So you see this program on this left. So you can see basic stuff. These are all the variables. So basically, you hold some data in it. Uh, say language is a variable having the words Python in it. Choice has got one, age has got 12.5, and I'm printing one of that as an example. Just do it here, and you get print age is 12.5. So simply just holding some value, and I'm printing those values by the print statement, right? So that's a variable. There is stuff like type function. Basically, it gets the type of the variable. Then we talk about the rules. So the variables have a certain rule. If you see it here, you can't have something like 76 trombones, whatever. You can't start with a digit. So a variable should not start with a digit. That's one rule. It doesn't have a character like this. That's not valid too. So like that, there are some rules which Python expects you when you create a variable. So this is for you to know. The other one, the next concept is that those are the keywords or the reserved words as they are told. So they have a certain defined meaning. We'll see more of this when we use them in the programs, but you just know that these are words which have got a special meaning. So say for example, I take this one and I try to put, okay, and equal to 3, whatever. That's not right, because the and is a keyword and I'm trying to use it like a variable, which is wrong. So that's an example of a reserved word. Okay. Statements, basically a bunch of statements doing something meaningful. You're printing some number here, assignment, and then printing the number. You can have another bunch of statements, typically called a script. Maybe you can have a script for adding two numbers, multiplying two numbers. Take the number 1, take the number 2, do the addition, and print the output. So doing something meaningful, bunch of statements that make up a script. Okay, then operators and operands. As the name tells you, there are a bunch of operators or these things, having a certain role: addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, exponentiation, which operate on the operand. Say I want to do 2 into 3, I have the operators, the star sign, and 2 and 3 are the operands. So the star operates on the operands. So I can have 5 minus 4. So 5 and 4 are the operands, and minus is the operator. So very basic stuff. So I just want to get you guys into the next basic stuff. Of course, the first video was introduction to Python. This is more of getting into the topics. So that's basically the video, guys. So hope you liked it. If you do, please like it, subscribe. Let me know in the comments. There's going to be a series of videos on Python, the basics. Let me know in the comments what helps, what is needed. So maybe I'll try to get those in the next videos. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.